Okay, we will continue. So, for the revision block, as I've said, uh, there is a separate column, and some drawings are located in the upper right hand corner of a drawing. And for example, revision A is issued by engineering department. The letter A indicated in the space along with the description of revision. Okay, and then we have here also the application. So for the application, the black mark application indicates where the part is used. So asa nimo gigamit, it shows the model of the aircraft part is used on and the part number of the next assembly. Also indicated in the quantity of parts needed for both the next assembly and the final assembly. Okay, so naa diri tanan kung naa may mga both side dash number, next assembly, use on, next assembly, and final assembly. Okay, then quantity required. So that is for the application. And then we have sometimes there is notes are added, meaning some ng notes identify a deviation from the norm, give additional information, or like for example, if ever example lang ha, instead of using metal, example natay balay, nagbabuhat tag balay, example metal ang imuhang gigamit or steel bars ang gigamit nimo sa imuhang corridor aon sa manang nana, pwede nimo siyang hatagan og alternative, like for example pwede ka mo gamit og wood or bamboo ba. So depende lang na sa kanang unsay inyuhang maangayan nga gamiton. So mo na ang notes to identify deviation or various added up to drawings for various reasons. Some notes refer to methods of attachment or construction. Other give alternatives so that drawing can be used for different style of the same object. Okay, so kanang notes depende lang. So naa-align gisuwat nga notes. And then for the zone numbers, a numbering system used on large assembly for aircraft to locate stations such as fuselage frames. So since usually manggod ang drawing like what I've said katong 8 1/2 by 11 mao to ang A size. Then usually 36 to 42 inches wide and several feet long. So since drawing are so large, it is difficult to find detailed view without system of location. So pareha bitaw anang map, kuan tag map, mag-indicate tag kanang mag-locate tag map kanang sa map grid. Mag-draw ta og horizontal ug vertical lines from the letters and numerals specified. So asa na sila mag-abot, the point where these lines would intersect is the area sought. So kung ang imuhang linya nga vertical o horizontal ana siya mag-intersect, mao na ang iyahang zone numbers. Okay, ang zone mao na combination of vertical and horizontal coordinate identifies a zone. Okay, for example, kanang mga prehaan ni for example, revision is noted as dimension change in zone C7 should know that this change is made somewhere in the section 3 feet up from the bottom and 7 feet from the right ridge. Okay? So, kasagaran mang good drawing, no? Mao ni sa ibabaw, mao ni imuhang title block. For example, mao ni imuhang title block. Ang remaining ana na siya numbering system, no? Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Unya diri sa kilid na ay murag A, B, C, D na. So kaning line nga mag-intersect diri, for example sa C7, di ba? Letter C here, and then diri 7. So once it will reach intersect ana siya, mao na siya nga lapit nga portion to identify sa mga large assembly. So mura ba og graph sa vertical niya na ani mao siya nag-indicate sa number or sa number unya karing sa horizontal mo ni nag-indicate sa letter. So once gani nga mag-intersect siya, so for example 3 og 7 3 og C, so sa ato pa C3 ana asa sila dapit magtungod. Okay, mao na zone numbers. Then we have also station numbers, a numbering system used for large assemblies for aircraft to locate such stations such as fuselage frames. No, ang station numbers indicates that the frame from the datum of the aircraft. The measurement is usually taken from the nose or zero station, but in some instances may be taken from firewall or some other point chosen by the manufacturer. Okay, mao naman siguro ta og unsay station number. So gikan sa nose, mao na ang imuhang datum line, makita nimo na sa manual, di ba? Station numbers aron mahibaw-an nimo asa dapit ang iyahang for example sa iyahang fuselage frame. So adto na nato makita sa kanang manufacturer's manual. Ug sa imuhang drawing, sa drawing na asay divided to siya ingon ana sa column. Okay? So if you have questions, we will interact that one during our Google Meet classroom. So that is for the title block. Okay, title block necessary because of means of identification, and then all the information needed mahibaw-an na to kinsay the drawing number, name of the part, scale, date, the name of firm, the name of draftsman, checker, and the person approving the data. So mga description, drawing part numbers, dash numbers, numbering, bill of material, revision block, zone numbers, station numbers, and then the finished parts. So kani siya tanan nga example mao na siya na tanan, pero there are some kanang aircraft drawings, like for example nga even for the small part or assembly dili pud ingon ana kadaghan ang iyang kuan, ang iyahang title block. So depende lang. So this one is an example of uh, the whole complete part or assembly of an aircraft. Okay. Thank you and good morning.